Zoom it.
I think.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. My mom. Sige, kanta na again. Hi, mommy. You're up there now. It's your first full moon.
And it's
In
like
heaven.
a warm yellow bar.
Oh.
Ganda pa rin. Diamond pa rin.
Wow.
So warm, no? It's a really good night.
First full moon of mom.
Paramdam yung mom natin.
So the ano din ate, yung the cream for the wound.
Yes, that's the one.
the one.
Is that very important if magmumula ka na naman?
It's their print.
Yun. Yes,
This one?
Yeah, this is the cream.
the one.
It's, what's this? Japanese, no?
Japanese. It's a
From Taiwan.
From Taiwan,
Ah,
but
Taiwan.
when we searched it, it has a Japanese component. Kasi
Oo. So, ano to? What do you call this? It's
Swilly.
it's really
antibiotic. Parang,
Yes.
parang if like ano, parang backtrobahan natin. Patas, Neosporin and ano. and-
Mupirocin. Mupirocin is Bactroban pa rin.
Yeah.
So, similar.
And then iba in the States, yung Neosporin.
Yes.
Everybody, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Well, we just, we have, we're here at home. Tapos na yung enrollment ni Mommy, and I just wanted to say hello to everybody. Wala ko akong voice, but at least bumalik na. I'm here with my babies, Nicole and Justin, and of course, Dex is here. Annika, ayan. Cebu, and Diego, and my Ali is here. You see, so many, I'm so loved. Sabi ko, ayoko tumayo today, pero sabi ko, is that the moon? Oh my God, full moon, look! Oh my God, that's look.
It's perfect. It's perfect. Ito yung the background natin.
Oh my God, come. And of course, here, this is Perjon.
Persian and Freezer. Yes. No, grabe,
From,
dami kayo.
Total Swear.
Hello, good evening.
Yes. I love your jacket. What is this? Wow, they brought me, something to, like, what's this? Juice? Or,
This one is the juice.
yeah, to for sleeping naman to.
Yeah, that's
So that I won't have to take any medicines.
It's for energy. This one is for the
Energy
Sir
to.
Juice, nutrition, complete balance nutrition. Yes, from Switzerland. Because this is good for sleeping
Thank
and
you.
hormonal balancing.
So nice. Thank you. Wow, kailangan to. Hormonal. Sa age natin, kailangan. Sa age ko pala.
We do it natin. We do it. Kami ni Justin. Yeah.
This is so nice. Thank you. That's so nice of you guys. Come, let's look at the moon for a bit. It's so nice.
Good background.
that's great that you believe in
Hi
God.
everyone. Hi, I love you all. Sorry at narag yung itsura.
Something
So this
stronger
is-
than the moon above, di ba?
That's something stronger than
Bagay na bagay na music.
So, it's so, I guess my mom said, okay, bigyan niyo ng full moon ngayon, yung anak ko. Yeah, it's so dark though. Wait, how do we flip this? How do you flip this? Text.
Alex, can you help me flip so it will be a selfie?
There.
Face it
Okay.
Ayan. Nice, no, wait. Oh my God. Look at
Careful na baka
that.
mahulog ka sa akin.
Mahulog ka sa akin. Sana binuksan natin yung pool. Sana nag-swimming. Ayan. It's not kita, no, love? No, there. Zoom it.
I think.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. My mom. Sige, kanta na again. Hi, mommy. You're up there now. It's your first full moon.
And it's
In
like
heaven.
a warm yellow bar.
Oh,
And you can see pa the,
it's
craters.
perfect. I think this is the first time I really saw like a
sorry.
moon so perfect. Like, oh my gosh. It's like, it's not real, no?
Yeah. It looks animated. Beautiful.
I know. It's magical, no?
The stars, tita. Oh, it's
Kita ba?
Ayan na.
Ang dami.
And there's
So, you know what my mom's name is? Estrella. That means stars in in Spanish.
wonderful stars.
That's why lahat ng mga anak na stars.
Right, correct.
Right? So, how do you flip it back? It's dark there. But it's mas maganda siya in
Ikaw?
Yeah, I should call Kuya Mickey and Tita Amor, and I'll tell them to look at it. Ayan. Oh my God, I look so terrible. Oh my gosh. First time nang walang lip tint talaga.
Ganda pa, diamond pa rin.
Wow.
So warm, no?
It's a really good night.
First full moon of mom.
Paramdam yung mom mo natin.
And there's this story na it's called the old ladies. I call it the old ladies bedroom, and kasi parang yung memory ko kasi photographic. 62% photographic memory. So that's why so I had the girlfriend before of JJ. Her name's Ria Alcantara. She's in the States. My Ate Ria. I hope you're watching, Ate Ria. What do you call this? She would read to me yung book na yun. Tapos I was looking for it. But it's called, and my friend's daughter found it. It's called, the Goblin. And so, nung nahanap namin yun, yung book na yun, bumili talaga ako ng 10. 10 talaga. Kasi inubos ko kung ano yung nakita ko sa fully book. Tinuha ko talaga. The Princess and the Goblin. Yeah.
That's a nice
And then the start well talaga is parang the Princess Irene was about 8 years old when my story begins. And this is how it began. It began. One very wet day, parang the mountain was covered with mist, which was gathering parang snowflakes up at the parang mountain top, ganyan. The Princess Irene parang was so sad in her room, parang ganyan. Memorize ko pa, pero ngayon hindi ko na maisip dahil hindi ko magana utak ko. Pero grabe memorize ko. Grabe.
Magaling ka pa naman storyteller.
8.
Wow!
Grabe, 8?
Yeah. Even the smell of like a place or something, I remember.
You remember it?
Yeah. Even kung ano suot ko, kung anong you like that?
So like that, tita.
Sabi. At 3 years old, 2 songs na kaya ko buo.
Wow.
Na yung Love you guys. Lahat sa inyo, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nagdasal. Lahat ng supporta ninyong lahat ng Claudinians, mga palanggas, even sa lahat sa buong pamilya namin, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And I love you guys. Walang voice, pero I just wanted to say thank you and hello.
So nice. Wonderful.
Nice, beautiful. How do you do that again? How do you do that again?
I-flip.
Double tap.
Oo, yan. Ano na?
You can zoom it in. Wow. You can see the craters.
Yeah, it's super talagang...
And it's so
Look,
detailed, no?
Grabe.
Beautiful.
It's like it's
What a perfect
daylight.
night.
Oh my God.
I can
So... And then you have to do that again?
Mm.
Baby. Oh, yan, baby. Ba't ganyan ang ganda sa'yo?
That's the one.
We have the same phone.
Baby, see.
Paano binanika?
Oh my God.
Can she flip it and then zoom, no? Para ma...
Not like...
Eh, but it's
Oh my
not-
gosh,
Wait.
tita, look.
Ano?
Send it yan.
Ito
Send
na.
it to me. Oh my God.
Wait.
Wow.
Saan ba yun?
Wow.
Wait, you're gonna...
Ganda, hold. Yan.
Zoom na ka.
Naano man na. Pag sa Ilonggo, ano sa inyo?
I-zoom.
Naunsa.
Naunsa man na.
Unsa.
It's not...
Yun na yung pinaka-zoom na ka.
Yeah.
Oh my Lord.
Parang kali AI yun ah.
Why is it different sa'yo, anak? Bakit? You know why they say it's an old
okay,
lady's
okay.
bedroom? Because the Princess Irene, that's her great, 8 greats yan, grandmother. And look, there's like a shadow of like a lady and like a girl here. Look at that. And like the girl is like here in the bosom.
Oh.
Right?
Wait, I'm gonna try
So
to...
Na-envision ko.
You look.
I see, this is the head.
Yeah.
The head.
Yes.
Oh,
And then the girl's
this is
there. Yeah.
The baby's nakaganon.
Yeah. She's 8 years
Diba
old.
head
so
niya
she's
parang
like
gana ba?
here.
Yeah,
parang
yeah.
a
Ito,
little bit
you can
bigger.
see it. Eyes,
Yes, yes. See?
I see.
So I call it the old lady's bedroom, but it's really the Princess and the Goblin.
Actually, kitang-kita yung baby.
I
oh.
did it. Oh, see?
Wow.
See, this is a silhouette of the old lady and then the Princess Irene.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
So nice.
It's so Magical.
Grabe. And it's warm. It looks inviting.
Stars, no?
Yeah, the stars. I'll take a picture
Oh,
of the
yun.
stars.
Isn't it always like this every time you?
No, it's not. It's not. It's not. Sana, I don't know. Bakit in the playroom yung ano pang stargazing namin. Ang tawag mo
Oh,
doon?
telescope?
The telescope.
Telescope.
Yeah.
Yung specialized na telescope parang solar, no?
Oh, nice. But it's so cold out there. Sarap daw. Oh my gosh.
Perfect
we should
sa
all
dito
go.
tayo.
Panabenga na. Kasi it's ano. Thank you, my love. Ayan. Come, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Come. Sorry, ang kalat na ano.
Sila might want to explain lang how it works para you'll have an idea.
I'll open it for you.
How do we like you just drink it?
Yeah.
I come, let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat.
Ano, cold water, I'll get cold water.
Ayan, it's hot pa. Ay, Ging. Yay. Yeah. Payas lang, please, yay. Ging ka, yay. Ara ka da. Yeah. Ay, thank you, Gid. Guys, everybody, thank you. Love you all. Bye. Good night.
Kasi here we ordered lang.